Now let's have a closer look to each figure you just saw in Waltz routine. And we start with hesitation change and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look again with ditching count and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Double reverse spin with the count 1, 2 and 3. Let's look again 1, 2 and 3. Fallaway reverse to outside change a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look again from opposite direction and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Man steps, man starts with left foot forward, to side, ronde in fallaway position, then back, back and to side in promenade. Let's look again. With left foot forward to side, ronde in fallaway position and then back, back to side in promenade and lower. With ditching count and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From opposite direction 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Lady steps, lady starts with right foot, back to side, ronde back to fallaway position, back, forward to side in promenade. Let's look again, right foot back to side, ronde back in fallaway position, back, forward to side in promenade and lowering. With ditching count a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From opposite direction and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Running cross chasse with the count 1, 2 and 3 and. Let's look again from opposite direction with ditching count and 1, 2 and 3 and. And now man steps, man starts with right foot from promenade, forward to side, diagonally forward and lowering. Let's look again, man starts with right foot from promenade, forward in promenade, to side, brush, diagonally forward and lowering. With ditching count and 1, 2 and 3 and. Let's look again with ditching count and 1, 2 and 3 and. Lady steps, lady starts with left foot from promenade, forward in promenade, to side, brush, diagonally back and lowering. Let's look again, lady starts with left foot, forward in promenade, to side, brush, diagonally back and lowering. With ditching count and 1, 2 and 3 and. Let's look again and 1, 2 and 3 and. And now natural spin turn 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look from opposite direction with ditching count and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Chasse roll to left with the count 1, 2 and 3. Let's look again from opposite direction, and 1, 2 and 3. And now oversway to promenade position, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look again with ditching count, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now chasse from promenade position, and 1, 2 and 3. Let's look again with ditching count, and 1, 2 and 3. We hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.